Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G73 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's tap on it and there we have to find the display option. Now, actually, we do not have to scroll down because on the fourth position we've got the screen timeout. So let's tap, and here we've got much more options from which we can choose. So we can set it to 15 or 30 seconds, so quite a short timeout, say, or 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Currently, we've got the 1 minute option applied. As you can see, of course, this option is marked. So basically, all we have to do is to simply tap on the other option, in my case, 5 minutes, and simply go back. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Motorola Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.